Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the laptop camera and getting a scanning app running right away. Plug in an external USB camera if your built-in webcam is low resolution because clarity matters. Once done, grant camera permissions to the app or browser and position the barcode on a flat, matte background to avoid glare. Make sure autofocus is enabled and lighting is even. You want edges crisp. These first steps get you to a stable, readable image before you attempt the actual scan. Now you focus on getting a clean frame and letting the software read it. Center the barcode with a small margin so the scanner can detect quiet zones. This improves decoding success. If the camera has manual focus, nudge it until the bars look sharp, otherwise steady the laptop with a stand. Once steady, trigger the scan or let the app auto-process several frames so it can average out noise. If the app shows a live decode, confirm the code matches the label before continuing. Finish by confirming the scan data and saving it where you need it. Once the app shows the decoded number or payload, copy, export, or paste it into your destination. If the scanner can't read the code, troubleshoot quickly. Add diffuse light, tilt the barcode slightly, or move closer to improve resolution. Make sure the barcode isn't dirty or damaged. If it is, a reprint often solves it. For stubborn failures, switch to a higher quality USB camera and retry. This usually fixes hard-to-read labels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.